Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap the Crossings Local and Long Distance Movers near me. A long distance move is over 100 miles from your current location. There are a lot of things to consider when making a long distance move, one of which is the condition of your items, especially the fragile ones after a long trip. Your belongings are essential, which is why we are very particular about caring for them. Our movers handle your belongings with care. They carefully sort and organize them. We separate fragile items from more solid ones and label them appropriately. Our particular moving truck has compartments that hold and protect your belongings. Our trucks accommodate your belongings and move them with ease. Our drivers are experts at long-distance moves. They know and follow every highway rule. Your belongings are in safe hands when we plan and execute your long-distance move. Our local distance services are very efficient. We deliver the best local distance moves in the Crossings, Florida at budget-friendly prices. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. We are the right option when you need a quick move. We also have significant insurance policies that cover risk liability during the move. Locals highly recommend us because they can vouch for our excellence. We give value to our clients at reasonable prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, the Crossings Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.